Welcome back everyone. Today we are looking at mathematics paper 1. This is a BGCSE question paper. All the questions are derived from 2014 question paper. Question 1 says there are two bottles of cooking oil. The first bottle contains 750 milliliter of cooking oil and the second bottle contains 8% more cooking oil than the first one. A says how much more cooking oil does the second bottle contain? We will look at percentage and ratio. We have A and B. A is the first bottle and B is second bottle. Then we have level, and then we have a percentage. And the level for A is 750. Remember, we are taking this 750 and it's equivalent to 100%. Then we come for B. For B, we don't know its level, we can put X, and then its equivalent, they say 8% more, right? Which means we are going to add 8% to the 100%. If it was 8% less, then we will be subtracted from 100. So 100 plus 8%, we are having 108%. Now we are going to cross multiply 108 times this, and then we take this X times this. So 750 times 108, so 750 times 108. The quicker way I like to do this is that I break down this 108 into 100 plus 8, right? Then I multiply with both with 750. So what is the answer? Then I add the total. So 8 times 0, 8 times 5, 40, carrying 4, 8 times 7, and that 7 times 7 is 49, 18, 7, we have 56, 56 plus 4, that will be 60, right? We have 6,000 plus 100 times 750. Just take these two zeros and add to the number 750, right? Let's add this together. 7.5 plus 6,000, 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 6, 11, carry 1. Then the level for B is 81. 81 is equivalent to 100x. Then we divide by this 100. This cancel, this cancel, this cancel. So 810 is the level for B, right? The question said how much more cooking oil does the second bottle contain? We are going to find the difference, right? So 810 minus 750, 0, you make this 11 minus 5, 6, 7 minus 7, that's 0. So the answer is 60 milliliter, right? So we subtracted 750 from 810, so that's the difference. Let's go for B. B says calculate the volume of cooking oil that is contained in the second bottle. And remember, we have already worked this one. That will be 810. This one. Going for B. B says a rectangular sheet of paper is divided into a small square of the same area. Each square has area of 36 centimeters squared. Calculate the length of each of the square. Remember, area of square equals side times side. This side is same as s to the power 1 times s to the power, which is like s squared. Now we know that the area is s squared, so to find s, we know that we're going to make the square root of this s squared. Square root is same as power half, right? So you can say s squared times 1 over 2. And this will cancel, and then we are going to remain with s. So in this scenario we have 36. 36 is same as saying 6 times 6. That will be 6 to the power 1 times 6 to the power 1. Remember, the base is the same. We keep it and add the powers, which is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Right. So to find this, we are going to say 6 squared to the power half. This cancel. It will be 6. This same as say the square root of 6 squared. You are going to find this 6. So 6 centimeter is the length of the side. Let me pull this up. Yeah, let's look at the B. So I didn't do B. The length of the rectangular sheet of paper is 48. What is the total number of squares that can fit along the length of the rectangular sheet of paper? Yeah, so we can have this length as 48, and then you are told that this will be 6. So they ask you how many 6 can make this 48. Just 8, right? So you are going to divide this 48 by 6 of length of each square. So let's go for question 3. Solve the simultaneous equation. Before you can start working on this one, make sure to label them like this. 5x, put plus if there are no minus. For 15, put plus if there are no minus. 3x, no minus, just put plus, and then you rewrite this. We're going to say plus 5x minus y equals plus 15, and then we have plus 3x minus y equals plus 5. since y and y are equal, we are going to eliminate them, but we are controlled by the sign. We have minus and minus. So remember, when you have minus, plus equals minus, plus minus equals minus, minus minus equals plus, plus plus equals plus. So here we have a minus minus, so which means we need to turn this part into plus. So put bracket here, put bracket here, put bracket here, and then you're going to find, and when you add minus y to minus y, so that you end up with 0. So to do that, you just put a minus here, then we have 5x minus 3x equals 2x minus y minus this becomes plus. Remember, minus y minus y, this will turn into positive because this minus times minus, and it gives us positive. So minus plus minus y plus y is going to give us 0 equals 15 minus 5 equals 10. So 2x equals 10. You divide by 2, divide by 2, your x is equals to 5. You can substitute in the equation, and then say 5 times 5 is 25, right? Minus y equals 15. You take 25 and bring it to the other side. That will be minus 10, right? So since this minus x is 5, we're going to say 3 times 5, 15 minus y equals 5. You take 15 to the other side, you have what? Minus 10. Then you divide by minus. So 3x minus y equals 5 is same as 3 times 5 minus y equals 5. So 15 minus y equals 5. Then you take this 15 to this side, it becomes minus. Then minus y equals minus 10. You divide by minus 1, divide by minus 1, then y equals to 10. Now we're going for question 4, right? It says express 0.s fraction in lowest time. So you just count numbers after decimal, 1, 2, 3. So you're going to say 125 divided by number with 3 zeros, 1 with 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. And then you are trying to find, like, you divide by 5 into 12, 2, remember 2 into 25 is 5, into this 200, still this number 25 can go there, 1, into this. To 24. Yeah, that will be 1/4. Express 32 in the form of 2p. So you're expressing this number's product of its prime. Remember, when you talk about prime, we start with 2. 2 is the only living numbers that is prime. Then followed by 3, 5, 7. Remember, these are numbers that are only divisible by itself and 1. We can have 11, 13, and so on. So to express 32, you write 32 here, and then you start with the first prime, which is 2. 2 into 32 gives you 16. 2 into 16 again gives you 8. 2 into 8 gives you 4. You go again, gives you 2, 1. You're going to count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 32 equals 2 to the power 5, right? So you write here 2 to the power 5. B says what is the value of for x, which is 2x equals 32. So remember, 2 to the power 2x equals 32. This 32 is the same as this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power x equals 2 to the power 5. You divide by 2, 2, and then you see that 2x equals 5. Divide by 2 both sides. X equals 5/2, which is 2.5. X is 2.5. Yeah, question 6 says the diagram shows a length of square base from the length of side of the square base is 18. The perpendicular height of each triangular face is 15 cm. Calculate the area of one of triangle. Remember, area of triangle equals half times base times height. So 0.5, which is half times, what is our base? Our base is 8 times height. Height is 50. So 0.5 is same as 1/2. Just cancel 1. 4. 4 times 15 gives us 60. So we are having a 60 here. B, the total area of the net, right? We have shape 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to say 60 times 4. You're going to say area equals, that is total surface area, if I'm not mistaken. 60 times 4 plus rectangle, which is length times width. I mean this square, I mean s squared. Then 8 squared 40 plus 64. You add this together, 304, 304. Seven. The diagram shows a circle with center O. The length of chord AB equals 25. The perpendicular distance of chord from center is 5 cm. Calculate the radius of the circle. So this is a radius, right? Pythagoras rule. What does it say? A squared equals a squared plus b squared. So what is a? You can have 5 plus, remember 24 divided into 2 plus 12 squared. So 25 plus 144, 4 plus 5, that would be 9, 169. So for sure I know that this is square root of 169. So the square root of 169 is 13. So that point is 13.